Is everyone ready for our adventure?
Yes! I packed my favorite book! Did everyone bring a water bottle? I packed mine first!
Let's help each other.
Working together is faster. Look! The sky is so beautiful! It's a perfect day for family time. Can we sing together?
Of course! Let's sing our favorite song.
The weather is changing.
Don't worry. We'll be careful.
The raindrops look like tiny stars.
Everything looks beautiful together.
Safety comes first.
We're in good hands.
Welcome! Please come inside and stay warm.
Thank you for your kindness. This is my favorite part of the trip.
Sometimes the unexpected moments become the best. The sun is coming back. Let's continue our adventure.
Everything looks bright again.
The hills look like a painting.
Nature gives us peaceful moments. I'm happy we're here together.
Family makes every place special.
Adam, is something bothering you?
I think I left my drawing notebook at the cafe.
Let's check every bag together.
I still can't find it.
A notebook is important, but you are more important.
Thanks, Mom. I feel better.
Yes! We found a blue drawing notebook. Thank you so much. We'll come back for it.
See? We never gave up.
Maybe today will still be wonderful.
Thank you for keeping it safe.
I'm glad it found its way home. Today reminded us to help each other.
As long as we're together, every problem has a solution.
Everyone looks much happier now.
I won't forget my notebook again.
This place is beautiful. Let's have our picnic here!
Teamwork makes everything easier.
This picnic is already perfect.
Ready for a fun game?
Catch me if you can! They're growing up so fast.
Every moment together is precious.
I drew all of us together.
It's beautiful, Adam.
This is my favorite drawing.
You worked very hard.
Dad tells the best jokes. That's why we laugh so much.
Everyone, smile!
This photo will be special!
Today has been amazing.
The best memories are made together.
Let's keep everything neat before we leave.
I'll carry this bag for you. This forest is so beautiful. It feels like a magical place. Can we walk across the bridge?
Of course, stay close together.
Listen to the water. It's peaceful, isn't it? Look at the butterflies. They're so beautiful. Seeing them smile makes me happy.
This trip was worth every moment. I almost wore 2 different shoes today.
That's so funny.
I drew the bridge and the trees.
You noticed every little detail.
I don't want this trip to end.
We can always make new memories.
I'm so happy we're together.
Family is the greatest gift. The sunset is so beautiful.
Nature always gives us wonderful memories.
This cabin looks so cozy.
It will be our home tonight. It's even nicer inside.
I'm glad everyone likes it.
Hot chocolate will warm us up.
It smells wonderful.
This is a perfect evening.
I'm so glad we're here together.
Try adding a little more color here.
It already looks much better. Look at our funny picnic picture.
We'll always treasure these memories.
I almost won.
Next round is yours. Look at all those stars.
They're shining so brightly tonight.
Tonight will stay in our hearts forever.
The greatest journey is the one we share together. Good morning, everyone. Today is another beautiful day.
I never want to forget this trip.
Breakfast is ready.
Everything smells delicious. Adam's drawings tell our whole adventure.
You created something truly special.
Let's make sure we leave nothing behind.
My notebook is safely packed now. I'll miss this place.
The memories will always stay with us.
I finished our adventure drawing. It's filled with beautiful memories.
This drawing will remind us of today forever.
You captured every happy moment.
Home feels even more special now.
Every journey begins and ends with family.
I can't stop smiling at these pictures.
These memories will stay with us forever.
No matter where we go, being together is our greatest adventure.
Home is wherever our family is.